I've got my hands on a brand new AI image generation tool, which is considered to be the rival of MidJourney. The only difference is that it's free. Introducing Flux AI. It's a powerful AI image generation tool that masters photorealistic and text-inside image generation and much more. This tool was launched by Black Forest Labs in the name of Flux AI. They have also announced their text-to-video AI model as well, which is going to be released soon. I will share some free ways to access this tool. Flux AI has 3 different variants: Flux Schnell, Flux Dev, and Flux Pro model. And with the current update, they have also released a new model under the name of Flux in Paint. I will show you how to access that as well. First, I will start with the introduction of each model, and then I'll show you how to use them. Let's start with the Flux Schnell. This is the fastest model of Flux AI. It gives the results of your prompt in under 8 seconds. Not like the top-notch image generators like Leonardo AI, which take 15 to 30 seconds to generate an image. Here's an example image generated from Leonardo and Flux Schnell with the same prompt, and you can judge by yourself. Next in the game is Flux Dev. This is the more advanced but relatively slow model of Flux. In this model, you can customize your image settings like the image's aspect ratio, maximum steps of image generation, and prompt power. This is a powerful image generation model. Though there aren't many settings that you can change, even with the minimal settings, you can generate high-quality images in less than 10 seconds. Next is the Flux Pro. This is the best image generation model offered by Black Forest Labs. This version of Flux is only available on their API. This has the best settings. Flux Pro offers state-of-the-art performance image generation with top-of-the-line prompt following, visual quality, image detail, and output diversity. Even though it's an API version, I will show you how to use this one for free, so stay tuned for that. Now let's get into the practical image generation process. We will use different sites that support this AI tool. First up we have Seart.ai. This site has only one model of Flux, which is the Schnell model. Now without any further ado, let's generate an image using this tool. Go to the Seart website, the link is in the description. Log in using your Google account since you cannot generate images without logging in. After logging in, click on this Flux text to image model. Now this is the prompt. A centipede walking on a tree in a jungle. Now select the aspect ratio and hit generate to start the image generation. There, our image has been generated. Here's the result. Seart has limited image generation. It gives you 50 credits per day, and it gives you 100 free credits when you first sign up. It takes at least 8 credits to generate an image. Don't worry about the limited generation. Our next site gives you unlimited image generation, and you can use both Flux Schnell and Flux Dev model. It also gives us access to the Flux in-painting model that I talked about earlier. This site is HuggingFace.co. Head over to HuggingFace using the link in the description. You don't even need to log in here. Just click on whichever Flux model you want to use. For this site, I will be using the Dev model. Click on the Flux Dev model and here we are. I'm writing this prompt, a man in a studio on his computer sitting on a gaming chair. Scroll down to check the advanced settings. Here you can adjust the height, width, and the number of interference steps in your generation. Once done with this, you can just click Run to start your generation. In a few seconds, it will give us our image. Here's the result for our prompt. As you can see, it has given us a very realistic image for our prompt. Next up, we have Glyph. Glyph is an AI app creation website. You can use all 3 of the Flux models on Glyph. Head over to the Glyph link from the description and log in using your Google account, then go to Build. Here select Image Generation. Now select any of the Flux models from here. You can also choose the Dala image generator here as well, but I will be using Flux Pro mode on this one. Select the Flux Pro and enter this prompt, a man standing on the shore looking at the sunset. Scroll down to change the aspect ratio and adjust the advanced settings. Once done with that, click Run this Glyph, and in a few seconds, your image will be generated. Here's the result of our prompt. High-quality AI images are generated in under 10 seconds using this AI. That's it for today's video on Flux AI. Make sure to test it out yourself. I've given all the prompts and website links in the description for you to try it out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss any new updates about AI. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.